Pollinator Pathway! Good day, young adventurer!
Did you know that many kinds of plants need the help of pollinators to produce seeds and fruit? How sweet is that?
Amazing! Thank you for introducing that nature-tastic fact! Nature adventurer! We need your help today!
That's right! We need your help to be a pollinator-ator!
Pollinator-ator? Now that's a funny name!
Funny, but true! Bees need us to plant lots of flowers so they can get the nectar they need for energy.
And we need bees and other pollinators to move pollen for plants so we can have so many of our favorite foods like strawberries, blueberries, and apples. Help our pollinator friends by collecting as much nectar as you can in each level to give them the energy they need. Let's go, fellow nature explorer! Tally-ho! Tally-ho!
Lilac bush. Dandelion. Crocus.
Gather nectar from these power flowers to fill the bees' energy and complete this level.
Bumblebees live together in colonies in openings in rock piles, empty mice burrows, tree cavities, and other small holes.
When it rains, it pours. Watch out for that sprinkler.
That smells almost as good as my cheese. Cheese! Plants produce a sweet liquid called nectar to attract pollinators. The nectar gives pollinators a great energy boost. That smells almost as good as my cheese. Cheese!
Look at that pollen on the move.
What a gorgeous yard!
You did it! Yes! Our little... Let's go to the next level. Tally-ho!
Zinnias! Flowering sage! Dandelion!
Gather nectar from these...
Queen Anne's lace! Some kinds of bees are specialists because they only pollinate one kind of plant, like squash bees and squashes. That smells divine!
Oh boy, it's a headwind! Time to buckle down and fly through! Oops! You need to fly the other way! Oops! You need to fly the other way! Friend, bees were meant to fly! More flowers await! Tally-ho!
Hey, little pollinator. No flowers here.
Pollinators even help in milk production. And you know what you use milk for, right, Squeaks? Cheese! What a gorgeous yard!
way!
That smells almost as good as my cheese. Cheese! What a gorgeous yard!
Friend, bees were meant to fly. More flowers await. Tally-ho! Amazing work, adventurer! Our little bee ate all the nectar it needed.
You earned a new flower and you collected the special item to use in your yard!